Signal Talks, episode
13, guys.
We have a very special guest coming over in Signal Talks today.
Yes, in a few minutes you'll be seeing the special guest, and I hope you people will do something good, because today we are talking about some things that are very deep, and the kind of heartlessness that we've seen in this city. Unfortunately, we'll try to soften the blow.
World.
In the world, we'll try to soften the blow. Oh my goodness. There is
Okay,
one big-
yeah, bro. Yeah. Whoa, he's going. Whoa, wait.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That was the one vehicle going there. Oh shit. Signal Talks episode 13, guys.
See you in the next signal. So today there is a very, very big debate happening between Nihesh and I.
Yes. So please, guys, in the comments, I want you to solve this for both of us.
Yeah, it is like this gold and white dress and that blue and black dress something.
It is literally that.
It is literally that. He thinks this dress that I'm wearing is white.
Yes, this is white, correct, guys? In the comments, this is white. I want you to. There's some blue streaks in them, but is that thing white or blue?
It's a sky blue color.
I don't know. I can't see any blue in that. So you guys tell me. I am thinking it's white.
This is giving audience PTSD about this black and blue dress and that gold and white dress that happened.
Yeah. What was it though? What was your choice?
No, please don't give me PTSD on that. I'll get scared.
What are your choices, guys? What do you think? It was gold or blue? Or...
No. Now we'll only talk about this dress.
This is definitely white.
I bought this dress. I will know. Nihesh has tilt OCD.
Yeah, I have tilt OCD.
You tilt PTSD.
PTSD, because you know why? When we are
Boy.
because
Look at this fellow coming. Oh, where are the cops when these things are happening?
build a device to detect and prevent corruption. How do you like that idea, Akshara? And what do we call such a device?
Call a gun, Nihesh. Yeah, so when it comes to these main roads, your Cunningham Road, your Queens Road, your MG Road, core of Bangalore, core city, and udhari they are like going ulta pulta and all. I would completely understand if it's some random other area where
The roads are smaller or something.
they'll still come in one way.
So lane discipline or just following the general direction of travel. Yesterday, last episode I was talking about lane discipline and how to solve that. But I was then confronted with the truth of reality, where forget lane discipline, directional discipline. This is a one-way road, and if somebody comes from the other side,
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
you mean this is a sound effects category, no? I'm still driving, if you notice, because I is still not okay. So guys in the audience, please pray for Akshara's speedy recovery for her eye. Hi guys, now we are going to meet our guest, a special guest, Roxy. Hi Roxy.
Sit.
Yes,
Boom,
please.
boom,
Roxy. Hi Roxy.
You lovely girl.
Hi.
Slobber all of yours.
Look at your sweetness. Look at your sweetie.
This girl they abandoned.
They locked her in a toilet in Cantonment railway station.
Arre?
Yeah. And then when we opened the door, she was half the weight she is. She had UTI.
Huh.
She had tick fever.
Oh shit.
And her whole back was bleeding. So her tail is cut.
Oh my
So
goodness.
that's how we found her.
Oh shit. And now she's become full nice.
Okay, this is some other level.
This
Why
is some-
would you lock them
Lock a dog in the toilet. Right?
And how long was she there in Cantonment?
That I don't know. I just got a call and then we went. So I don't know Thankfully, the ticket master there was a nice person, so he thought some weird animal is inside the toilet because she was scratching.
Oh.
And then they saw from the window and they were scared, thinking, oh, such a big dog, who will? So they called us. We went.
Oh my goodness.
Then we saw she's the most sweetest, friendliest dog. She's up for adoption, by the way.
Guys,
Roxy's up for-
Roxy is up for adoption, and she's the most amazing being.
Yeah.
She's been through a lot, and shame on you, psychos.
Yeah.
We are coming for you one day. We are coming for you on live TV. I swear to you, we'll balance the scales. I'm telling you, whichever demon or whatever the you are, we are coming for you, bugger.
But weren't there like, first of all, where they don't allow dogs in railway station?
Cantonment, no? So I think what they've done is from the other side of the tracks, they've bought her in somehow.
Oh shit.
Yeah, because the other side of the tracks don't have gates and all of that.
Oh.
So
So much for security,
Yeah.
guys.
So much for so much security, yeah?
And when people voluntarily take animals somewhere, it's a problem.
Problem. When
This all is okay.
yeah.
you guys are insane. Humans, you really deserve some sort of I don't know what we're gonna. Roxy, we're gonna have an amazing time.
She'll find a home.
You are gonna find a home.
Yeah, nice home.
Yeah, and somebody who values you.
Ghar ho.
She loves other dogs, kids, everything.
Yes.
But my dog doesn't love other dogs.
Yeah, same
no.
problem we are having at home. So
See-
we have 5 and that's why she's not allowed inside the house.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so she's staying in the garden, which we are feeling very sad about. That's why we really want her to get a home.
Guys, this is Kian for Kaban. I think you can see it with the video here.
See ya.
Kian, hi. Hey man, dude. You do know?
He knows little bit,
Huh?
but he doesn't know much.
So Kian was a part of our Kaban traffic-free Kaban Park campaign, and it was many years ago. And we tried to do this so that we can have some more lung space in Kaban Park. From there, I've seen him grow up so much. It is complete, it's for me, it's a different experience altogether.
There is no other way around. There's no Benjamin Button situation happening. All kids grow. It's like an uncle who'll
In
come
one
like,
direction.
"ले, मैंने जब देखा था तू इतना छोटा था अभी कितना बड़ा हो गया." Obviously,
We are here in the car with Roxy and Kian and Rakesh.
Yeah.
She jumped 7 kilometers. She jumped 7 meters.
She jumped 7 meters.
Yeah, she jumps very high for food. Like if
Oh
there's
my
food, she'll
goodness.
jump like as much as a greyhound. She'll jump. I don't know how,
Oh.
but she does manage.
it's
that.
a drive for
Yeah, it's a drive for food.
Now let's talk about Roxy, our special guest of honor today. Roxy needs a home, guys.
See how
And,
friendly she is.
She's
How
Very friendly.
She's about four or 5 years old. She loves licking things. She loves eating. She loves food. She's extremely friendly with children and very friendly with other dogs. Yeah, and she's good with old people also. So she's like a all-round home dog. The only issue we are having in our house is that she's staying in the garden because our other 5 dogs are not letting her inside.
There are a lot of these people who say no. Oh, if you want everyone to rescue dogs, why don't you take dog home?
Yeah.
Bro, we already have 5 to 6 dogs anyway.
And believe me, we are trying. Believe me,
that's what.
we are trying. For sure, we are trying.
We would love it if
We
we
would
have
love
a
it.
bigger land and
Yes.
bigger place where we can adopt more than
Yeah.
Whatever
and
we
want
have.
to do that. Believe me.
cats, dogs, squirrels.
Yeah.
Hey, speaking about licking, that Roxy likes to lick. My love language is actually licking.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, my love language is licking. And if a person doesn't lick your face, then does the person even like you?
Um, yeah, I mean, what if that person is
I like. Yes, love is
That means
that is the best only way
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
can know for sure if a person likes you or not.
That means all dogs love you.
Yes,
That means everyone's licking you.
yes. Rakesh, I think you already know about my
Yeah.
lick collection, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, how much flack I got for that lick
Oh
collection?
yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this will happen, that will happen. Bro, I've been getting licked on my face since I was a kid.
Kid.
You don't tell me what.
and it is
this-
not your problem, bro.
Yeah, and this is my face.
Yeah.
Okay,
Consent hai.
consent hai.
Consent.
Yes.
Know that.
Yeah.
They have problem when people don't give consent. They
Yeah.
have problem when people gives consent.
Roxy's male, female.
Female.
Roxy's female, probably for breeding.
Yeah,
is it?
yeah, they've used her for breeding nicely.
Yeah,
And
so-
they've thrown her after dogs get UTI, you can't breed like so often as before. So I think once she's got UTI, they've thrown her out. So she was at Charlie's Animal Rescue Center for 2 months getting treated for UTI.
Breeding is literally rape only,
Literally
right?
rape.
Yeah, they
Right, so-
actually hold the female down.
Yeah, they hold it and now they have a machine, right? They have that machine which they tie the female dog in a certain position
Holy my
and
God.
then they put the male dog behind and they force the male dog in.
Who is this person who invented this machine?
So one of these German guys. Yeah.
Gas him.
Yeah.
Yes, why they missed this fellow?
He was born a little late.
Oh, I'm serious. Please adopt Roxy. She's amazing being. She is. Just now I got licked by her nicely, and I can tell you she's an amazing girl. Please adopt her and be kind. Be kind, you psychos. Be kind. Don't be lunatics like this. You abandoned a dog inside the railway station,
In a toilet.
in a toilet, and completely injured, completely in a very bad state. This is not done, guys. Humanity, you've really dropped the ball here, and you've also shown your true colors.
But I have a question. Weren't there CCTV cameras to catch who it was?
We didn't really check all of that. We just took the dog and rushed to the hospital.
See, that's the value of life.
Yeah. So I'm sure there's CCTV. I mean, the thing is, even if we catch them, what are we going to do at this point? Because our laws are so bad. Max we can do is go hold them accountable, beat them up, and then in the cop station they'll pay 50 rupees and they'll get out. Right? So for us, our focus was on just saving her first.
Yes.
So
Okay, guys, please give us ideas on what to do to those people when we catch them.
Yes. And all the galis that you can come up with.
now they'll go.
And Kiar has just got a cup for playing cricket. Bye, Kiar.
Say
Bye.
See you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations again.
Okay, thank you guys so
Thank
much.
you, guys. Bye.
Bye. See you. Adopt her. Don't
Adopt
forget.
her, please adopt her. She's amazing. She is. Rocky, give me a kiss.
Pure breed Labrador. You all are really caring
I
about
think
all
big
that.
boned, pure breed Labrador.
Big bone, pure breed Labrador.
Bye. Thank you
Bye.
guys. Bye.
Bye. Show the people what we go through. See that girl.
Oh my god. Yo, she saw us. She saw us. See, look at that. How can you not love these creatures? Little slobbery though. And stinky, but it's okay. You guys are also stinky without perfume.
Yeah.
Say hi. She loves this spot. She loves my lap.
If you ever want to feel love in your life, get a dog first. That'll be better than trying it with a human. Genuine.
Yeah, but get a dog ethically.
Yeah, please. Okay, is it sidewalk or footpath?
It is footpath. If you see our footpath, normal people only can't walk because there'll be one tooth suddenly or something. It is not
Usable?
usable by specially able
Walkable?
people. It's not wheelchair friendly.
It's not usable.
It is. Look at this. Look at this.
Once again,
So it is supposed to be a cycle path, but in our country we have to cover it with the barricade because people on the bikes go
once again,
and the road.
it is not traversable for people with 2 legs only.
Yeah, what's up with your fancy English today?
Fancy English.
Tums is having Bangalore Darshan today.
She's such a lovely girl. Look at her. And that was episode 13 of Signal Talks.
Yes, that was episode 30.
I love this. This is amazing. Licking is the best form of showing love.
And cute aggression is real.
Like that. Love these beings. You'll at least experience something in life. Love these beings. They're very nice. Sleep with one of them. I mean, not the other way.
No. This
Because they're crazy and
nap next to this.
nap next to them.
Better word.
Yeah, better words, I think.
गाड़ी में बातें नॉन स्टॉप
Okay. That is Signal Talks episode 13. Bye. See you in the next one.
गाड़ी में बातें non-stop flow